Hi, Callie. We did talk about this quickly in our previous meeting, but it is confusing. I can understand why it's not making sense still. But if we look at the boxcar 2, we can see here that the floor plan is showing up and that we click it to get the PDF. So this can be a good way to figure out what's going on. If we look here at it, we can see there's no floor plan here. It looks like this has been abandoned. This was the way it's done, and now what's done is a row is added here with a single image. So if you're making a new one, you can just come and hit a plus and hit single image, like this one is here, and then you would add the image in here, and then this is where the link is being added for the PDF. So let me know if you have any questions there, or if what I've shown you here is confusing, but that's how you're going to get that done on the new ones going forward. Thanks.